Good morning, my students. Myself, Dr. Abhishek Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Agriculture, Engineering, College of Agriculture Science. Today, we are discussing about the unit first of the course entitled Farm Machinery and Power, in which we are discussing about the status of farm power in India. What is farm power? The input for performing various farm operations in Indian agriculture is essential ingredients. The sources of powers in India for mobile and stationary farm operation are human, draft animals, tractors, power tiller, combine harvester, diesel engine and electric motors. The energy used to do different agriculture field operations like tilling, sowing, intercultural operation, irrigation, spraying, harvesting and transportation, etc., either by the utilization of the machine or a draft animal power is defined as farm power. It is expressed in the unit kilowatt per hectare. What is the current status of the farm power in India? The average farm power availability for cultivated area of the country has also been increased from 0.48 to 1.84 kilowatt per hectare in 2014 from 1975, and average is about 2.49 kilowatt per hectare in 2018, and we have to need to increase it up to 4 kilowatt per hectare at the end of the year 2030 to target up the increased demand of the food grains. The sources taken from Ministry of Agriculture. The total farm power availability in the country was 2.24 kilowatt per hectare in 16 to 17, and the different sources are available. This is the table indicate that the status of farm powers, and the sources is tractor, power tiller, combine harvester, diesel engine, electric motor, humans, draft animal. And we have to show here that the tractor has maximum power availability is 1.324 kilowatt per hectare, and after that the draft animals power is reduced 1.30. So the total sum of all the powers of is 2.24 kilowatt per hectare. Here the figure indicate that the power utilized by the different sources like manpower, animal power, tractor power and combine harvester, power tiller that is used for agriculture operation, electric motors that is used for irrigation purpose, and diesel engine is also used for irrigation purpose. And what is the future target for achieve farm power? According to the NAS 2080 paper published, analyzed that any state having higher power availability are also producing more food grains as compared to the state having lower power. Tiwari et al. 2019 estimated the farm power availability of 3.74 kilowatt per hectare at the year of 32 to 33. They further estimate the reduction in the percentage of farm workers from the total farm force to 50% in 2021, and after that to 25.7% as compared to the 54.6% census in 2011. This is the references where the sources are taken from. Thank you so much.